You want to do it again? No? Okay. I want to chance it. Yes, I don't blame you.
This is just the beginning of the day. No, I mean, you could roll it for sure. Okay. Up.
I was like trying to pedal too close.
Yeah.
I don't like how my foot was.
Alright, you got one more. You roll it 3 times, you gotta do it the 3rd. Ah! You ready?
Do you want to trade bike? I gotta drop your seat close fucking weight. Actually, you know what? Yeah, I guess going this way would probably be the easier way to do it.
Huh. Go up?
Yeah.
Or go the road?
Go up.
Whatever, dude.
You want to hop on a fucking El Jefe? Jesus.
Alright, remember, dropper post you gotta hit with your forefinger too. Holy shit balls.
I probably don't even need to use the thing. Actually, that thing's gonna be super soft for you.
I don't want to be a.
Yeah, just take it easy.
I don't want to be a dick. I feel like I'm on a kid's bike. I'm so low. Oh. Oh, gee, I wish my dropper. Oh shit.
You alright?
Yeah, I hope I didn't fuck your bike up. I bounced my shoe into the. Yeah. One thing I was trying not to do. Holy shit, where's your shifter? Dear Lord. Oh my God, it pushes forward.
Oh yeah, you gotta push both.
Mr. SRAM.
I mean, it is nice that your mom knows you before. And I do actually, I kind of like the brake. I like the
That fucking gotta go. Ah! Keep hitting my foot. This one. What's that?
What a massive difference in bike. I know that thing's probably fucking tiny on me.
It feels it.
Huge on me, but it feels so fucking stable. Like that thing, I feel like you're able to lean more, but this thing feels like you have so much more grip. I literally feel like that's crazy.
I don't know, like my little quick review of the Jeffsy. We'll get that on camera.
So it looks like you use a lot of the travel.
I weigh a lot.
Yeah.
So yes.
I mean, we can set it up for you, but it's still
I was for sure like tapping my toes. Like, and then like your stuff is so far in, and I have to have my hands. I couldn't reach it.
I was literally talking to Marcin about that today. I got to move my stuff in because I can barely reach the shifter. But like if I move it too far to one way, then the brake lever like doesn't line up.
Yeah, I don't know, dude. It's badass. Like I feel like if I got like, they make it in 29, right?
Yeah.
I feel like if I got a 29 in like the right size frame, it'd be fantastic because your dropper post all the way up is like my right height.
Is it? Yours all the way down was damn near where I'm at.
Like I can ride it with it all the way down. It's nice to pedal up with it. Well, what'd you think? What'd you think of old Olivia here?
I actually really enjoy it. It's been a while since I've ridden a 2.9er, and it feels super stable. Like I feel like as soon as you stop pedaling this thing, you start fucking slowing down. This thing, you just carry like so much speed, and I feel like you don't have to lead it over as much to get it to like turn for some reason, which is probably not.
I don't know. I feel like it. I don't know. It's just cool to get another person's opinion.
I like it though. It feels nice. I mean, it's giant for me.
Yeah.
But it shifts very crisp. I do actually like the way the brakes feel, even though I do like my. I guess I'm a SRAM fanboy just because my old bike all had SRAM and this has SRAM.
I like the way your brakes come on. Like these ones, it's like
these ones, it's like you hit them. Well, that's what people say.
You got like maybe like 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 inch before you actually feel like engagement, but then it's like it's on.
I feel like those are much more like an on-off switch. These like you can modulate better.
Yeah.
But I love the way that they feel. It's literally like boom, brakes.
Yeah, because like these ones, like I'll try to slow down to scrub a little bit of speed, and I feel like it kind of pitches me forward, like I'm ready to fall off the bike.
Yeah, I did that a couple times too.
Yeah.
Explosions. Explosive diarrhea.